I'm weather forecaster Noah Gordon for NewsLink Weather. Arctic air fully entrenching itself in the region today. If we take a look at our current temperatures around the area, we can see a lot of places not even out of the 40s. You see 37 here in Muncie, 37 in Indianapolis, 34 Lafayette. Colder as we head west. You see 33 in Peoria, 34 in Chicago. Both places experiencing some of their first snowfalls of the year over here and heavier bands of snow. Here though, for today, forecast going to be some more snow showers in nature, going to be throughout the day, especially heavier in the morning, sort of diminishing in the afternoon, and then picking back up tonight. Highs are only going to be in the low 30s. Winds are going to be out of the east at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Going to be quite cold, especially for this time of year. Abnormally cold, in fact, for this time of year. Just going to be very frigid temperatures. Comparing these temperatures today, though, to our almanac for this time of year, we can see our average about 44 degrees, mid 40s. Today only 38, going to be even colder than our averages for this time of year. Taking a look at our next 12 hours temperatures though, we can see that temperatures really not going to move much as we head through the day. Many places not even going to make it to the 40s, I'd say. And then temperatures sort of rolling back down into the mid 30s as we get towards tonight. Tonight's forecast, lows are going to be in the upper 20s, more of a rain-snow mix tonight. I would say most places, the further north you get, will be fully snow. Further south towards Indianapolis, probably get more of a freezing rain sort of mixed event, so might cause some impacts, especially on that evening commute. I might want to watch out, especially for places that would freeze over easier, such as overpasses, bridges, elevated surfaces. Winds are going to remain out of the west at 5 to 10 miles an hour, so going to give us a little bit of a chill to our air, as if we didn't have enough chill already. But if we take a look here at our precision cast, we can see here, snow showers sort of predominating the area, especially in the morning. Heavier bands as you go further west towards Illinois. But then we see sort of a clearing in the afternoon here before that's replaced by a reinvigoration of this snow showers as we get towards the evening hours. You can see here, especially towards the evening hours, we can see snow as you go further north, further south towards I-70. More of a mixed sort of event. Lots of freezing rain, sleet, maybe sort of that stuff. So definitely going to cause some trouble with the evening commute. It shouldn't be too bad, but just be sure to take it slow, bundle up, be careful, be mindful of others, especially on those roadways tonight. And then you see that moving out, and then clearness as we get towards the Wednesday. And really, the snow showers not appearing to be much of an issue, especially as we go towards Wednesday. So hopefully going to be done with that snow by the end of Wednesday. Now, if we take a look at tomorrow, though, still snow showers in the forecast. Like I said, very intermittent, very spotty. Highs are only going to be in the mid 40s or mid 30s. Winds are going to pick up out of the west, gusting at 15 to 20 miles an hour. So the wind chill is going to make it feel even colder, probably in the mid 20s tomorrow. Snow, 40% chance most places. Like I said, very spotty. More likely to see snow tomorrow, especially if you're in more northern portions of Indiana, closer to those heavier bands of lake effect snow that will persist, especially places like South Bend. So just overall going to be a very cold few days here. And if we take a look at our temperature outlook, this kind of lines up with what we've seen here. We can see temperatures over the next 6 to 10 days projected to be very, very, very much below average in the United States, especially east of the Mississippi here. We can see the Great Lakes region really experiencing temperatures in the 20s and 30s, very much unlike this time of weather for mid-November. Even places out west here, we see the Rocky Mountains, places like that, even going to be cold as well. So most of the United States really going to feel, it's almost going to feel like January and November, with most places, not even seeing 50 until a week or so from now. But if we take a look back here, our 7-day forecast, we can see, temperature sort of decreasing as we get through the days. Going to be low to mid 30s Wednesday and Thursday. Even colder dry air on Friday. Not even going to make it out of the freezing in most places. As we get towards the weekend, though, we can see here a little bit of a warm up, 5 or 10 degrees, going to get above freezing for the first time in probably 24 hours on Saturday. Going to get maybe to 40 on Sunday if we're lucky, and then sort of moderate back to 36 on Monday. Skies are going to clear out, going to have no threat of snow, but it's still just going to be bitterly cold. For more information, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter at NLI Weather.